But why would an owl need to be this quiet? The answer is surprisingly simple. Owls hunt almost entirely by sound. Unlike hawks and eagles that spot prey from above and dive at high speed, most owls hunt in near total darkness. They rely on their extraordinary hearing to pinpoint the exact location of a mouse moving through grass or under snow. If the owl's own wings made noise during flight, that sound would drown out the faint rustling of its prey. Silent flight is not just an advantage. It is a survival requirement. An owl that makes noise is an owl that starves.